Hello friends, in this video we will disassemble the leaking steering rack and install a new one in its place. First of all, we remove the answer. Then untwist the steering rods. Then untwist the steering wheel bolt and twist the steering column hose, and from below there are steering rack mounting bolts. We untwist them and remove the rail. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, I have already removed the rail, and now we will install a new one. All friends, install the steering rack as I disassemble it in the reverse order. As you can see, there is nothing complicated. I just have to do the toy camber. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.
Abin ara kaçtı.